12:28, and today we are going to get or to grab our lunch. I am so hungry already, and yeah, so for my outfit, I'm gonna share it with you. So I just wear this with this. This is given by my sister. I think she said that she ordered this, and also I wear just the shorts, a normal shorts. The street are not so busy today. Got milk, so I will put it inside the ref. Then my napkin, rice 2 cups, then pork. Parating lang namin, guys, and time check, it's 3:51. It's very hot. We just ate our lunch at Aria again, and I just ate the whole team breakfast today, just only for today, guys, pero medyo umilab yung tiyan ko. And at the same time, kumain din kami ulit ng ice cream, which is the coffee flavor yung kinain ko. So, ayan. My best friend called me earlier. She was in the restaurant because yung kasama ko is bumili ng rice doon sa restaurant, and then they saw me, and then my friend or my best friend called me, and then wala, hindi ko siya napansin. It's because I'm editing my things for my shorts. So yeah, this time, ano oras kami dumating? It's 3:52 this time. I mean, it's 3:52, and pinagpapawisan pa ako. Kaya nakapag-grocery. Bumili lang kami ng ang tawag dito ng milk and yung napkin. And then, bumili din kami doon sa Talipapa ulit. Pumunta na naman kami kanina lang. Bumili kami ng pork. Kasi nga, the reason why kung bakit na dumaan kami doon sa restaurant is to get the rice because I feel I want to eat rice. So, yeah. And, yeah, siguro, we're gonna get some rest. I'm gonna edit my things. And then, if I can, I will make shorts later here, upstairs. I'm going to dance if I feel like I want to, of course. And then, if the Wi-Fi will let me, because the last time, you remember, guys, I go here, and I try to make a dance. And then, ayun, namatay yung Wi-Fi. So, I wasn't able to make my shorts. This time, we're gonna go get inside here. So, it was very hot. I just want to check the towel. And ayun nga, guys, nakita ko na siya, guys, nahulog. Oh my God. Kasi wala tong kimpit or ipit man lang para hindi siya mahulog. Oof. Yeah, this is just for the table, and this one is for the kusina, you know, trapo. But still, I wash this, so it has to be clean. So we're going to close this. This is just only my purpose why I go there upstairs. So here it is. Beautiful sunsets here in upstairs. Look at that. Wow. Good morning. So it's 11:30, guys. I'm going upstairs to get some mangoes. Let's go. So we're just gonna look. I am going to bring you here also. It smells egg. Two, four, 6, 7 pieces of mangoes. Mas mabakal, no? Doon nga, ano?
Best seller po ito, ma'am, lalo sa foreigner.
Oo.
240, ma'am.
Hindi na lang. Mamaya na lang.
Bayad na.
Opo.
May table kayo doon, ma'am?
What time today? It's 3:32 p.m. guys, and we're just done having our lunch. We just ate pizza, and this time I'm going to give you a little tour here in the beach. Look at that, people are just lying down here getting their suntan, I think. Yes, look at that. It's pretty cool. People are swimming as well. Beautiful beach for me. Okay, so let's take a look a little bit here. This beautiful day.
How about you?
take a look here. If they don't know you actually, they will ask for 20 pesos payment here. He is cleaning it. He's making sure that it looks good. Okay, so I will put this little bird back to the trees. I thought this is very cute. Or I can put this. Still a little baby. I will put him here in the trees. Hey, you go back. Go back here. Come on. Nice there. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, little bird. Yeah, but he flies over there.